Right, really interesting question here. We're given the lengths of this polygon, and then we're told that we can draw circles on each of the corners, basically, and then we're going to try and work out which circle is the biggest. So first of all, I'm just going to sketch out these circles. That's the one centered on C. Linear sketch. B. A. E. And D. Right, now let's take a look here. We've got this will be our A, and then this will be our B. Okay, remember they're not to scale, so I don't necessarily know that our B is going to be smaller. But what we can see is that when we add them together, it's going to give 16. And this sets me up with some simultaneous equations. RA plus RB must equal 16. RB plus RC is 14. And we just carry on round. Plus RE is 13. Okay, there we go. 5 simultaneous equations, 5 unknowns. You don't actually have to you could rearrange to make RA the subject and substitute in, but actually there's a little trick here. We can just add them all together, and that's going to give me 2 lots of RA plus RB up to RE, because they appear twice in each. And that is going to equal, well, this is 30, this is 30, so that's 60, 74. And therefore the sum of all the radii is going to be 37. Right, now remember, this from above is 16, and then RC plus RD is 17. So that is 33, and we've got a first radius. It's going to be 4, okay, because 37 minus 33 is 4. Now we can work our way around. So RA is going to be 10. RB is going to be, this one up here, 16, so it's going to be 6. RC is then going to be 8. And finally, RD is going to be, right, I can check it in 2 of them. So if I check it with RC, it's going to be 9. If I just check for consistency, RD plus RE is 9 plus 4, it's 13. So yeah, I've used them all to check it. So we can see that RA is the largest, which means which point is the center of the largest circle? It's going to be A. Nicely done. This kind of approach comes up fairly frequently in maths challenge problems, like constructing simultaneous equations, but then just adding them all together. Sometimes you have to solve it, sometimes you're just trying to find the sum, or the sum of all the radii, for example. Now, let me show you another way to do this question. This is how the answers did it. Slightly different. It's nice. So instead of calling it RA, we just sort of call this one X. And then this is going to be 16 minus X, which means that this is 16 minus X, and therefore this length is going to be, it's going to be X minus 2 because they add to 14, which means this is X minus 2, and this is going to be 19 minus X. I'm just working my way around and making sure it adds to whatever is here. And this is also 19 minus X. So to get to 13, it's going to be X minus 6. X minus 6 here. And then I'm going to need 20 minus X. Okay, but actually what that means, because I've got a radius of A is X, but I also have it as 20 minus X, then 20 minus X is equal to X, 2X is equal to 20, and X is equal to 10. Right, this is brilliant because now I can just work out all of them. That one's 10. This one is 6, because it's 16 minus 10. This one is 8. 19 minus x is 9. And then finally with e, it's going to be 4. Okay, so avoid simultaneous equations. Yeah, I like that method as well. Two methods, both good, give us this answer that the circle centered at A is the largest.